Kumusta? Nakumatos ka na ba?
Yes, I'm fine, but I'm hung out.
Hang out? Bakit ka hang out?
Wala kang pakialam.
Sino bang may pakialam?
Mama niya.
Saan kayo galing?
Yes. Ito si Imaw, trans na ngayon.
Alright,
so before we proceed to your question, would you like to thank anyone here tonight? Yung makeup artists, yung mga fans or whatnot?
Yes, of course. Thank you so much for coming here. And we are You Can Go, of course. Thank you so much for my makeup artist from St. Peter. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you can happy.
I hope you can. Alright. Ang tanong, ano ang pinaka mahirap? Ang magtago-tago ng feelings o magtago sa iyong inutangan? Okay? Again, ano ang mas mahirap? Ang magtago-taguan ng feelings or magtago sa iyong inutangan?
Yes, for me, it's very hard. It's very hard. You know? It's very hard. Yes, ang pinakamahirap ay magtago ng feelings because love is not refundable. Yes. Minsan, ang feelings ay natatalo sa libo. Malalaman mo kapag nasa tamang tao ka na, kung hindi ka tao. Thank you so much.